Welcome my dear students. Today I will be dealing with the chapter 5, that is more on KTurtle. In the fourth chapter, as we have discussed the introduction to KTurtle, that was really very amazing and I think so you have enjoyed a lot. So today we will be seeing more options or more commands which will be included in the chapter number 5, that is more on KTurtle. I am your computer teacher Nirhankari from Upper Public School CBSE Kalburgi. How will you enter into a KTurtle editor? As I have discussed that the KTurtle is a type of open source software, isn't it my dear students? So what we have to do? We have to just enter the website like rollup.com. rollup.com. This is one of the type of a open source software. KTurtle is a open source software. So we have to type rollup.com, that is KTurtle. After entering into this editor, we have to click on KTurtle Rollup. After clicking on KTurtle app, here it will show a login. Just look here my dear students, the right side of your KTurtle editor's software opening page. That is, just click on the login. As soon as you click on login, it will ask you to enter the Rollup account. So here I will be entering my own email ID and then I will be entering the password. This password should be confidential. You should not share this email ID and password to your friends. Got it my dear students? So you have to enter the password. I'll enter the login. After entering into the login, it will ask a dialog like, can I save your password? So what you have to do, if it's your own desktop computer, then you can save it, otherwise just click on never. After this, as soon as you will enter into the editor of KTurtle, you have to just click on KTurtle on Rollup. Just click on that. After entering, you will get an editor like proceed to KTurtle. When I will click on proceed to KTurtle, it will ask one more option to click like launch KTurtle with limited capabilities. Just click on the launch KTurtle. After that, you will be starting a KTurtle editor. After that, what you have to do my dear students? You have to just maximize the KTurtle editor which is present on your screen. So today I will be dealing with the 7 topics which are included in your 5th chapter, that is more on KTurtle. In more on KTurtle, you will be getting 7 topics and there are certain subtopics too. So what we have to do, we have to see one by one. There are totally 7 topics which we have to cover in more on KTurtle chapter. Okay. Before going to deal with the chapter in depth, we should get a clear idea about what we have studied in the previous class. That is 4th chapter, Introduction to KTurtle. In Introduction to KTurtle, we have studied some commands to move and turn the turtle present in the canvas span. Other than moving and turning, a turtle can be given instruction to jump, to write, to reset, to move to the starting position or even to clear the canvas. In the last section, in the last chapter, we have studied about the introduction to KTurtle, which includes like forward command, backward command, turn right command, turn left command, then saving the document and printing the document. And in this topic or in this chapter, we are going to deal with the 7 topics. The topics are introduction. The second one is direction command. In direction command, we have to choose certain directions from where the turtle should go to its from source to the destination. And the next one is reset command. The next, center command, clear command, pen command. In pen command, you will be having the color of the pen and width of the pen. The color of the pen is called as the pen color command, and width, to change the pen of the width of this your direction, we can use pen width command. The next one is changing the canvas. That can be done with the 2 commands like canvas color and canvas size. We can change the color of the canvas pan which is present on the KTurtle editor, and we can change the size of the canvas too. Okay, this is very interesting topic, my dear students. Let us see one by one. Okay, in introduction, we have learned certain commands in the previous section or the previous class. Today we will be dealing with the next topics like direction command. What actually a direction command is? A direction command is the command used to turn the turtle in a clockwise direction. What is the meaning of clockwise direction? If you are having a clock which will be numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. Okay. If the clock direction it moves from 1, 2, 3, 4 to 12, it is called as a clockwise direction. If it goes in the reverse direction like from 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called as anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Moving the turtle in a clockwise direction by a specified number of degrees from the starting position is called as a direct command. The direct command can also be written as in shortcut DIR. Let us see what you mean by DIR. DIR, that is nothing but the direction command. Direction command can be started from the first position and then we'll run it to the 60th position. Did you see the turtle changing from the center position to the 60th degrees? Let us try some more examples which are given in your textbook. That is DR. What we have to do again? Just to remember to reset the turtle. By reset command, we can set the turtle to its original position when we will be opening a KTurtle editor. At that time, the turtle position how it was in the same position, it will come back to that position. That is nothing but the reset command. After reset, what we will be doing? We will deal with the direct command like direct to 10. If I will run it, what is the command to run the turtle? That is F5. Just to see the position of this turtle, it has moved from the direction from the center command to the 210 degree. Okay. Let us try with the some other options like again reset it. Again it will come back to its original position, and if I start again DIR 310, again it will change its position, but it will change the position from clockwise direction. It has took the direction from this to this. in the clockwise direction. Then you can ask me like, what is the major difference between the direction command and the turn right and turn left command? The major difference between the turn right and turn left when we'll compare to the direction command is, in case of direction command, the number of degrees or angles whatever we will be writing in the editor pan is counted from the starting position of the turtle. Okay, in turn right or turn right, in turn right or turn left, the direction of the degree or the number of degrees or angle is counted from the starting position of the turtle, whereas in turn right or turn left command, the angle is counted from the current position of the turtle. What is the major difference between this and that? The major difference between the direct command and the turn right and turn left is, in direction command, the number of degrees of the angle or the direction or the degree, it changes from the, it counts from the starting position of the turtle. Whereas in turn right and turn left, it will be counted, the angle is counted from the current position of the turtle. Let us see what is the major difference between the turn right and the turn left. Let us set the turtle in the center position, that is, just write the reset button. After that, if we will write turn right 90, what actually happens if I will run it, it will just change its position from the head turning to the upward direction. It will just turn in the rightwise or the clockwise direction to the right side, that is TR90. Let us see what is the DIR 90. What actually happens? Again, it will start the option like RESET reset, then write it DIR 90, then run it. If I run it, what actually happens? It will change the direction from top to the right direction. Okay. If I will see the direction of the turtle in the center position, that is reset, after that what I will enter? I will enter the direction of the K turtle like DIR 90 or 60. If I will write it, it will turn it. Again, if I will write TR 90, again what it will turn? It will turn to the slightly in the clockwise direction. After that, again if I will write DIR 90, if I will run it, what again it changes? It takes the direction from the current position and it will change from turn right to the director command. By using the director command, again we can change the turtle or to the right position in the clockwise direction. Keep the word like a clockwise direction which moves from 1 to 12 and anti-directional from the vice versa like from 12 to 1. You should get a clear idea about what do you mean by a clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Now what we have to do, we have to choose the direction. If you are following your textbook, just go to the page number 55. From there, what actually happens is, you can change the direction of the turtle to its set of the commands. Like, first go to your page number 55. There you are having a choosing the direction. There are certain steps which we have to follow it. Okay. This comes under the direction command. Okay. First one, click on the tool menu which is present on the menu bar. That is, first one will be the title bar, second one will be the address bar, the third one is menu bar, the fourth one will be the toolbar. We have to go to the menu bar. The fifth option or the fifth menu is tools. Just what they are telling, you have to click on the tools option. As soon as I'll click on the tool menu, I'll get a pop down menu with the direction chooser and the color picker. But in this, as we are going to deal with the direction command, we have to choose direction chooser. Let us see the second step, that is click on direction chooser option. The direction chooser dialog box appears. This is the first option. Just to choose the from pop down menu, you have to choose direction chooser. Just it is present in the tools menu. Okay. After that, the third step is select the command type from the list. What they are telling? We have to select which one? The color command type from the list. Which is the color type command? There are turn right, turn left, and then direction. There are totally 3. Look here, my dear students, where the cursor is pointing. The command type, turn left, turn right, and then direction. What are the abbreviations used for turn left? That is TL, and for turn right TR, and then direction DIR. These are certain abbreviations we are making use in the KTurtle editor. These are certain commands which are present on the tools direction command or the direction chooser. In that, 3 options are there. From the command type, we have to click the number in the previous direction. Text box shows the current position. What is the meaning of this, my dear students? We have to choose the option from the previous direction, like just go to the tools. Okay, just go to the tools. The number in the previous direction. Text box shows the current position of the turtle. This is the position of the turtle before we run the command. Hence, if the turtle is at the starting position, it will display 0. We may change the starting position if required. If I want to change the starting position, I can change it. The number in the new direction. Where is that, my dear students? The number in the new direction box allows us to set the number of degrees by which we want the turtle to move after we run the command. We can even see the position of the turtle according to the selected angle in the dialog box. Which is the selected angle? We can make use of 60, 90, 25, 120 and so on. The chosen command appears in the text box present in the bottom left of the dialog box. What we have to do, my dear students? And then we have to click the paste to editor button. The command in the command text box will appear in the editor pane. Click on the close button to close the direction chooser dialog box. Then press F5 to run the command. What we have to do? We have to select certain close buttons or the buttons which are present in the direction chooser. After that, we have to run the command by pressing F5 button from the keyboard, or it is also called as the function key, which is present in your keyboard. Okay. There are certain what to tell is like direction chooser. This is your direction chooser which is present in the textbook, like page number 56. Just go through this, my dear students. Okay. Next, look here, my dear students. Here you are having the command type like turn right or turn left, turn right. Again by turning right or let us take turn left. Okay. If I will take the position like previous direction, it is 0. The new direction which I will use 90 degree. Just to see the position of the turtle, it is moving. Okay. Just to see the position from 0 to 270 to the first position again. The last one is 350 direction. If I will turn it to the direction like 270, okay, this will be changed. After that, the turn left 90, and then this is the preview button. After that, what I will do? I will just paste to the editor. It has been pasted here. That is turn left 90. After that, what I will do? I will just close it and I will run it. What it has changed? It has changed from the first position to the 90th position. This is all about the choosing the direction from the tools command, that is direction of the chooser. That is direction chooser dialog box. Next is, as you all know that there is one more command, that is third one is reset command. Let us see the position of this turtle is in the right side or the left side of the canvas. Again I will do it, F5. Again it will change the position of the turtle. Next one. The next command is center command. The center command is used to bring the turtle to the center of the canvas without drawing a line. The head of the turtle will remain in the same direction as it was before giving the command. Let us see, my dear students. I will write the command like reset, like FW, that is forward 100. After that I will write turn left 45 and then forward 50. After that center. What actually happens? I will just change the position. It has moved 10 forward and then again it has took to the turn left to the 45 degrees, and after that again it has moved forward 50 and again it came back to its original position with the line and it has come to the center. Without removing the line, what it has done? It remains in the same direction as it was before in the given center command. Let us see which are the options, okay? Which are the options? Let us see, my dear students. There are certain commands which we have to make use of this. That is reset. It has come back to its original position. After that, forward 100. It has went to the forward position like FW 100. Again run it. It has moved back. Again turn left. How much? 45. It has moved to the 45. Again what we have to do? Again we have to press to the center command, that is CENTER, center command. Again it came back to its original position. Did you notice? It has went back to its original position without erasing the line. This is all about the center command. As you all know that what is the meaning of center command or reset command? The reset command, it come back to its original position. Okay. This is the default one. Let us see what do you mean by clear command. What do you mean by clear command? The clear command is abbreviated like CCL. Let us see certain commands or degrees. Okay. Reset. Again I will run it. After that what I will do? I will forward it to the 100. Again I will run it. After that what I will do? I will turn right to the 80 degree. It goes back to its 80 degree. After that what I will do? Backward 50. It will go back to its position. See, my dear students, where it has went? It has went out of the canvas. So what I will do? Let us see one by one how it will be making use of clear command. First one, I will reset it. It will come back to its original position. After that what I will do? Are you getting confusion between the reset and the clear button? Reset is nothing but it comes back to its original position when we will be starting the editor of the KTurtle. The reset command will be working in that position. Whereas clear command is nothing but wherever the turtle will be present in your canvas pan, that comes back to its original position without erasing the pen or the line drawn by the user. Okay, don't get confused with the clear command and the reset command. Okay, my dear students, let us see one by one. Like a forward 100. Again I will run it. After that what I will do? Again I will erase this and again I will write turn right 80. Again I will run it. Just to see the position of the turtle, it has changed it. After that what I will do? Backward 50. Again I will run it. What does it happen? It has come back to its turn going forward. Again it will go to the turn right. Again it will come back to the 50. After this, with what I will do? I will use clear command. If I use clear command, what happens? Clear. Clearing is nothing but it will just erase the drawn line. Okay. This is the clear command. The next one is pen command. In pen command, you are having two options like pen color and the pen width. What is the meaning of pen color command? The pen color command is the command where the pen, till now we were making use of pen in the black color, but we will be using the different colors. The default picture colors or the colors which are used in the computer's editor are red, green and then blue. That is nothing but RGB colors. R stands for red, G stands for green and B stands for blue. That is RGB color. Let us see one by one, my dear students. Okay. What do you mean by red color and what do you mean by blue and green? How we will be making use of that? Before running any command, what we have to do, my dear students? We have to reset the command or the canvas. That is reset. Let us start with the pen color. That is pen color command. We can mix the three primary colors like red, green and then blue to make the new colors. For example, if I want to mix yellow and blue, the color which I will be getting is green. So, let us see, that is pen color, the abbreviation is PC. If I use 0, 255, 0, you may be amazed like what actually a ma'am is doing. Why she is using 0, why she is using the special symbol like comma and 255. Keep in your mind, my dear students, the RGB values are set to 0, then the color formed is black. But the color, the values can range from 0 to 255. This is nothing but the colors. The colors can be numbered from 0 to 255. Let us see if I will write RGB, like red is 0, that is green is 255 and blue is 0. I will just run it. What actually happens? Let us see. Okay. That is pen color 0, 255 and then 0. If I will move the turtle to the 90-degree forward, what happens? It has changed the color of the turtle pen. When it was default black, but now using the color, that is pen color command like 255 in the middle position, that is RGB. R is 0. Look here, my dear students. R will be 0, 255 is the green color and then 0 will be blue. If I will just change the color of this, which one? 0, in place of 0, if I use 255 and this 00, what actually happens? Let us see. I'll run it. What happened, my dear students? It has changed from green to red. Okay. Again, if I will make use of 255 in the blue place, in the last position, what happens? Let us see, my dear students. Can you see it? The canvas color of the turtle from green to red went to blue. This is nothing but the pen color. What is this blue color, red color and then green color? That is the color of the pen. This is pen color command. We can make use of this in the canvas option. Let us see what actually happens when we will use the color picker option. There are certain commands used in the page number 58 like black 000. If I want white, I will be making use of 255, 255, 255. Let us see here, my dear students. I will just make it to the reset button. I want this position of the canvas to come back to its original position, and then if I will be changing PC color to 0, comma 0, comma 0, and I'll forward the turtle to its 50 position. What actually happens? I'll run it. Did you see it? There is only black color. If I want to change the red color, the pen of the color should be red. What I will do? I'll change PC 255, 0, 0. What it will be? It will be red. Again, if I'll change 255 to the next position in the middle, again what actually happens? It will be green color. If I again change to the last one, blue 255, just to see, again it will change it. This is all about the color pen. And after this, if I change to the other this thing, what I will get it? Let us see. PC 220, 60, 0. What happens? Did you notice it? Again it will take the other color like orange color. The pen color will be orange. Which is the command we have used? PC 220, 60, 0. We can make use of every colors. Just to see the command line, which command you have to use? You have to use PC color or PC command, that is pen color command. Okay. To know the RGB values of the particular color, we have to click on the color pickers option from the tool. What I will do? Again I will set this position. What I will do, my dear students? I will just clear it. I will set it to the original position. Again I will go back to the tools color picker from the tools menu. After that, what I will do? I'll just see it. See here. Whenever I am making change of this amount red, it is changing the picker from black to red. Did you notice it? Whenever I am changing this 255, now it is like 255, 0, 0. This is RGB value. That is RGB. That is red, green and blue. And this is the color preview box. Just to see here. If again I want to change the green color, just look it. Again I can change this to the amount red, again 0, amount green, again I will take it to 255. Again if I will just move it, the color will be changing from light green, light parrot green, and then it comes to the green color. And again I will make use of 0 and I will make use of blue. Just to see here, dark, 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 and then pure blue color will be clicked. This is nothing but the color picker, the color preview box. This is the RGB value, and these are the slides for red, green and then blue color. This is all about the color picker from the tools bar. Okay. The next option is, if I want to change the width of the pen, you can ask me like, what is there any option to change the pen width as it is very minute line? Yeah, there is a option or command in KTurtle editor, that is pen width, that is PW. What actually happens? If I write a PW to 10, what happens? It will move to the forward direction. That is, just click the command like reset. It will come back to its original position. And if I am making use of this PW, what happens? We have to write PW to 10. This is nothing but the pen width. It will be making use of pixels. The default pixel is, the line thickness is 1 pixel. A single dot can be called as a pixel in computer terminology. If I am making use of a forward 100, what happens? I will run it by the F5 button, and did you notice it? FW 100. The pen width is changed from 1 pixel to the 10th pixel. This is the use of pen width command, that is PW command. The pen width or PW command is used to set the thickness of the line of the KTurtle drawn lines. Okay. By default, the line thickness is 1 pixel. We can specify any number greater than 0 to get the desired line thickness. What do you mean by pixel? The single dot is called as a pixel in computer. If I am changing this forward to backward 100, if I take it like 15, PW 15, and then forward 90. What happens? See, look here, my dear students. This line or pen width is changed from 10 to 15, isn't it? Okay. You can make use of scroller to change the canvas from zoom in to zoom out. Okay. This is all about the pen width. The last topic is changing the canvas. What is the meaning of changing the canvas? This can be done by the canvas color and canvas size. Okay. There are two canvas changing options with respect to size and color. Before going to deal with the different command, making use of different command, you have to keep in your mind, we have to reset. We have to make use of reset command. If I press F5, what actually happens? It will come to its original position when we have used in the opening a open source software by default. So, let us see what do you mean by canvas color command and canvas size command. Remember, my dear students, canvas color command allows us to change the color of the canvas to any color of our choice. The default canvas color is white. Okay. The pen color will be black. By specifying new RGB values, we can change the color of the canvas to any color we like. For example, if I am writing the command like canvas color, that is CC command, also you can make use of CC. Instead of writing canvas color, we can make use of CC. By this, I will be making use of 255 in red, comma 0, comma 0. What actually happens? If I want to see what actually happens, what I will do? I'll just press F5. Did you notice it, my dear students? The color of this will change to red. If again I want to change the color of the canvas to 0, comma 255, comma 0. Just look it. It has changed to green. Okay. Again, if I want to change to blue, again what I have to enter? In the position of blue, which was 0, we have to write 255 because that is the size of the RGB color picker. Did you notice it? It has changed from white to red, red to green, and then green to blue. This is all about the canvas color. The last topic in your 5th chapter is canvas size. Before going to the other command, what we have to do? We have to make use of reset button, that is REST. REST, sorry my dear students, REST. Again refresh it by pressing the F5 command, and again canvas SIZ size to 200, 150. Here it will change the width of the canvas and then height of the canvas. Let us run it. Did you notice it? It has changed to 200, 150. Again, if I'll change this to 100, 50, what happens? It comes in the rectangular shape. That is two same size. That is 100, 50. This is the height and this is the width. Here height is 50 and width is 100. Clear, my dear students? This is all about the canvas size. If I am making use of CES, that is 100 comma 10, again I'll press it F5 button to run it. Again it has changed the width like 100 and height is 10. This is all about the canvas size. This completes your 5th chapter. Thank you.